Welcome, NEET aspirants. This question is from Evolution chapter, class 12th textbook. What is the correct order, old to recent, of periods in Paleozoic era? So, Paleozoic era, it starts with Silurian and it ends in Permian. So, where is Silurian? It is in 1, 2, and 4. And Permian, it is only in option number 2. So, here we have the answer. Option number 2. So in between are Devonian and Carboniferous. So option 2 is the right answer. Mark it on the OMR sheet. 2. And we are done with this question. Now see, to understand this topic, you can either follow NCRT. In NCRT, there's nothing, they don't talk about this. It is just given in a diagram with these labels. Okay. So there is not much given about each and every period. So I will be talking a little bit, I will give you an total overview of these periods. What is era and what is period? What is the difference between eon, era, period, and epoch? And how many are there? So it is better to have complete idea of the geological timescale. So first I will cover only this part, and then if you want, you can further continue watching this video. So first one, what is given in the textbook? So first it talks about Phanerozoic eon. This is divided into era 1, 2, and 3 eras. The name of the eras are Paleozoic, then Mesozoic, and Cenozoic. So Paleo, this is the old life. Meso is middle life. And the last one is new life. So Paleo is divided into Silurian, then Devonian and Carboniferous, and the last one is Permian. Mesozoic is divided into Triassic and then Jurassic, and the last one is Cretaceous. So these three are era. And what do we call these? These are called periods. So this is divided into tertiary and quaternary. This is what is given in NCRT. So now we will look at the complete overview of geological timescale. So we will divide the time from the time Earth was formed. Earth was formed and till date. So geological timescale basically talks about the life of Earth from the beginning till date. So when did this happen? Earth was formed 4,500 million years ago. This capital M indicates million years. 4,000 million years ago, the life forms appeared. Okay, so they were just primitive organisms, anaerobic and photosynthetic bacteria, and they could survive without oxygen. So they proliferated. So this Archean time is marked from 4,000 million years, we mark till 2,500 million years. Okay, so this is the first eon, this is second eon, then third eon goes till 541 million years. So there are total 4 eons. This is called, this one is called Hadean, and this one is called Archean. Then this is Proterozoic, and this is the Phanerozoic. So Hadean, this is the time when the conditions on Earth were like hell. So there was no life at all, and the Earth was so hot because of volcanic eruptions. Then there was constant cosmic bombardments, lightning, and temperature was basically very high. The atmosphere was reducing, so life was impossible during this time. So this was the time when all the biomolecules started aggregating and first life forms originated: bacteria, the photosynthetic bacteria, anaerobic bacteria. And then slowly the life originated and became more complex. And this is the current life which we see, Phanerozoic. And this is the reason why Phanerozoic is called the visible life. So, what is the reason? Why is it called visible life? Because of fossils. The fossils give you an idea of all the different types of living beings that existed in this zone. And it also indicated, the fossils indicated that there were hard body parts like bones or the scales or beak, claw, and there were shells also. So this helped in forming the fossils, and these fossils help us to visualize all the life forms that existed. So now we will focus on Phanerozoic. This is the overall idea of the time scale. So first we have now seen Eon. Next we will see the era. And eras are divided into period. And periods are divided into finally epochs. Okay, Phanerozoic I can divide from 541 to 252, and then 252 to 66 million years, and then till date. So 541 to 252, this will be Paleozoic. So in Paleozoic, you will have Silurian and Devonian and Carboniferous and Permian. 252 to 66, this will be Mesozoic, which includes Triassic, Jurassic, and Cretaceous. And from 66 till date, this will be Cenozoic. So Paleozoic era, this is further divided into, the one which is not given is Cambrian. And then after Cambrian is Ordovician. Then Ordovician is followed by Silurian. Next one is Devonian. Then there is Carboniferous. Carboniferous, this is further divided into sub periods. Okay. So first one will be Mississippian and Pennsylvanian. And the last one is Permian. So 1, 2, 3, 4, then 5 and 6. This one is subdivided into Mississippian and Pennsylvanian. So we have 6 different periods in Paleozoic era. Then next one will be Mesozoic era. This era is divided into Triassic, then there is Jurassic, and the last one will be Cretaceous. And then finally Cenozoic. This is divided into tertiary and quaternary. Now see, this tertiary, this is the period, okay? This is further divided into, like Carboniferous is divided into sub-periods, tertiary is divided into Paleogene and Neogene. Now this Paleogene is then divided into epochs. Paleocene. Then next one is Eocene, and the third one is Oligocene. Neogene is divided into Miocene, and this one will be Pliocene. So if you notice here, Paleocene, Eocene. So the next one is Eocene. Okay. Over here it is Miocene, and then replace M with PL. It becomes Pliocene. So you can design your own way of remembering it. Then Quaternary is divided Pleistocene, and the last one is Holocene. So this is all about the geological timescale. Hope this video was helpful to you, and I hope you will no longer be scared of the geological timescale or any question on it. Thank you so much for watching my video.